How to invest in share market in India for beginners. Nurturing big dreams of making big money from stocks in India? Cultivating dreams is no doubt healthy, but right from the beginning, if you think of making big money, it is very likely that your dreams may get shattered. As beginners in the NSE and BSE stock market, cautiousness should be well harbored. Start the small way, as there are a lot of intricacies involved. It will take days or even months and years to gain expertise. And only once you have gained expertise and once you have started managing risks and getting maximum returns from your investments, you can put in big money and gain big profits. Decide on the amount for investing in stocks in India before you open your online trading account. As aforementioned, start the small way and spread your money. Do not invest in one particular NSE or BSE stock. Invest on a number of stocks in small amounts. For example, you can think of spending Rs 2,000 for the total number of stocks and wait for the returns. You may not know when to sell, but by rumors and by popular belief you will certainly sell your BSE stock when the price rises. Not all stocks of India witness a rise, some remain stagnant while some slide down. You should know how to check the rising and falling trends. It is staying updated with the latest market news, including BSE, Sensex and Nifty, that you can do the research. There are many investors who wait for the price to go higher, and when they learn beforehand that the values are going to dip, they immediately sell them off. Holding on to potential stocks in India thus require your efforts on research and staying updated with the up-to-the-minute market situations. The BSE is the largest platform attracting investors to invest in many a BSE stock. Thousands of companies encompassing blue-chip corporations to small and medium-sized companies are enlisted in the bourse. It is the BSE Sensex that is the key indicator of the performance of the companies. The figures displayed in the BSE Sensex as well as news related to this index will certainly help you choose which BSE stock is potential for you for your online stock trading. If you just invest blindly, no BSE stock will prove lucrative. It will be like spending your money in gamble. Not all stock market tips are favorable to all investors. The fortunate few may get highly benefited by following certain stock market tips published in many an online stock trading site. Well, if you want customized stock market tips in sync with your trading goals and objectives, it is just a click away. Given the high demand of brokerage service providers, a number of online stock trading portals has emerged. The right choice does matter for your success. Choose to avail the brokerage services from a reputed portal that has maintained a rapport of providing satisfactory solutions to investors.